The first thing you're going to do is we need to now insert our titles and dates. So inside the birth, you're going to click and put the year that the person was born. So you're going to go ahead and type the year inside this square next to birth. You can leave childhood and young life there. Next to event, you're going to then put the heading that you put, or just a few words, inside that. So for example, I said Franklin President or First Lady. If you need to resize it, you can always resize the box here. Put in whatever the event is for each of them. And at the end, you're going to add the year. Go ahead and make sure all 5 of these, 5 out of the 6, are filled in. The last step is that you're going to choose a background image. So I'm going to go to images again. And at the top, search. You're going to search and you're going to put in the name of your person. Okay? Now, you need to look for a photo that is not up and down. All of these would not be okay. Okay? You also need to make sure it's a picture of the person you're looking for. Like for example, I know this is not a picture of Eleanor Roosevelt, so you have to be very careful of the picture you're choosing. So now I know if by clicking on this one, it tells me that Eleanor Roosevelt, it's telling me a little bit about it. If it says a different name there, then, or it doesn't look like the person, better not choose it. So again, we're looking for a picture that's going sideways, not up and down, and then click select. Once it's pasted in there, you need to make it so that it fills the entire background. Don't worry that it looks a little bit stretched. Now that it's filled, you need to make sure that the picture is clicked upon. If it's not clicked upon, you're not going to see the tools. So I'm going to click here, image options, and now here in transparency, I'm going to make it a little bit more transparent. Now the reason we're making it transparent is that we want a background effect. It's not the main part of what we're doing, but it adds a nice look to it. Okay? Make the transparency, you can kind of see however you like it. And then if I go up here, if you would like maybe an old-fashioned look, you could do something like that too. But the goal is this should not be too dark. The last step is we can't see our timeline very well, so I'm going to right click with my middle finger on top of the picture, go to where it says order. We're now going to send the picture to the back of all the other things. So send to the back, and now voila, we have our timeline here, we have our events, and now we're good to go. So that when I go to the present, I have my nice, I click on where I'm going to go, I can go back, and it can help me there. So go ahead and finish up yours.